Hey guys, I'm back again with another episode. Check it out. This is a massage chair. I just bought another product. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys right now. Give me a minute. Just a second. Yeah, this is the one I bought. So this is the one I want to show you guys right now. I'm gonna open it. You're gonna see right now. Look it. That's good. Yeah. Okay, I'm about to open the box right now for you guys to see what is inside. Let's go. This is the one. It's still a bit heavy. Here we go, guys. This is it. So if you want to adjust it, you just gonna raise this up a little bit, let it go back, raise it up, move it forward. You see? So if you raise it up, it's gonna move. That's how to adjust it. Then enjoy myself as much as I want. So wait a minute, guys, I'll show you right now. So there's it. There's the remote control. So you just press it. Let me have my seat and relax myself. Oh my god. Power on. Then press the heater button. I feel relaxed. So this is the remote control. I want to show you guys how it look like.